Every year, from east and west, from north and south, more people come out to see the new Chevrolet than any other car. But this year tops every other year. And no wonder, the 56 Chevrolet's motoramic styling is more beautiful than ever. In design, it's the future right now. It's packed with special features, like this concealed gasoline filler, ultra-modern rear fenders, and a longer, more rakish hood. This new 56 Chevrolet looks lively and acts lively. Yes, the hot one's even hotter. You get a new kind of performance for safer, easier passing. You get 205 horsepower with a super turbo fire V8 that set a new Pikes Peak record. Chevrolet for 56 combines record-setting performance with a clean, modern line to sell tomorrow. You'll lose your heart to this beauty when you see it at your Chevrolet dealer.